this video, we're going to solve the molar volume problems. So let's begin in number 1. So calculate the number of moles contained in each the following gas volume. So we need to calculate. Let's begin letter A. So in number 1, letter A, we have 50,000 cubic centimeter here. 50,000 cubic centimeter. So number of moles of H2 is equals to 50,000 cubic centimeter times divided by 22.4 liters of hydrogen gas and 1 mole of hydrogen gas times, you need to convert it. In 1 liter we have a 1000 cubic centimeter. So you need to divide both sides by cancel both sides by cubic centimeter, and the liters will be cancelled too, and the left is moles. So N of H2 is equals to 50,000 divided by 22.4 liters and divided by 1000. Is equals to 2.23 moles of hydrogen gas. So this is your answer. And how about another B? We have 6,500 cubic centimeter of sulfur dioxide. So in another B, we have N of SO2. We have 6,500 here. So 6,500 cubic centimeter times 1 mole of SO2, sulfur dioxide, divided by 22.4 liters of sulfur dioxide. So we need to convert liters to cubic centimeter. In 1 liter we have 1000 cubic centimeter. So you need to cancel out the cubic centimeter and the liters will cancel out, so the left is moles. So mass of SO2 is equals to 6,500 divided by 22.4 liters divided by 1000 is equals to 0.2901. This is an N. 0.2901 moles of SO2, sulfur dioxide. Okay, that's it. So how about in problem number 2? Calculate the mass of each the following gas, following volume of gas. So let's begin in letter A. In number 2, we have letter A has a 70 cubic centimeter. In letter A, we have volume, we have 70 cubic centimeter of SO3, sulfur trioxide. So the molar mass, the molecular mass of sulfur trioxide is equals to 80.06 grams per mole of SO3. And then we need to find the mass of SO3. So mass of SO3 here, mass of SO3 is equals to 70 cubic centimeter of SO3 times 22.4 liters of SO3 times 1 mole of SO3 times the molecular mass of SO3, which is 1 mole of SO3, and we have 80.06 grams of SO3, and then times, we have liter convert to cubic centimeter, in 1 liter we have 1000 cubic centimeter. So mass of SO3 is equals to 70 divided by 22.4 times 80.06 times divided by 1 over 1000, 0.250, so equals 0.250 grams of SO3. So this is your answer. Okay, how about another B? We have 3 cubic meters of nitrogen gas. So here, another B, yes, another B here. The volume is 3 cubic meter of nitrogen gas. Okay, so we need to calculate the molecular mass of nitrogen gas is equals to 28.02 grams per mole of nitrogen gas, and we need to find the mass of nitrogen gas is equals to 3 cubic meter of nitrogen gas times 22.4 liters of nitrogen gas and 1 mole of nitrogen gas times 1 molecular weight, which is 28.08 grams per mole. So 1 mole of nitrogen gas and 28.02, so 28.02 grams of nitrogen gas, and then times the convert cubic meter to liter. So in 1000 liter we have 1 cubic meter. So cancel out liters here, cancel out moles, cancel out cubic meters. Okay, right, mass of N2 is equals to 3 divided by 22.4 times 28.02 over 1 times 1000 liter is equals to 3,752.67 grams of nitrogen gas. Okay, this is your final answer. Right, how about in problem number 3? Problem number 3, calculate the volume in liters of each the following. So we need to calculate the volume. So in letter A we have number 3, right? In letter A, we have the numbers of moles of ammonia is equals to 2.5 mole. And then we need to calculate the volume. So volume of ammonia is equals to 2.5 mole of ammonia times in 1 mole of ammonia times 22.4 liters. So you need to cancel out moles. So the volume of ammonia is equals to 2.5 times 22.4. We have 56 liters of ammonia. So this is the final answer. How about in letter B? We have a 10 grams of hydrochloric acid here. In letter B, we have the mass of hydrochloric acid, which is 10 grams of HCl. And then we need to find the molecular mass first of HCl. So 1.008 plus 35.45 is equals to 36.458 grams per mole of HCl. So that's the molecular weight of HCl. So the volume of HCl is equals to 10 grams of HCl. So 10 grams of HCl times the molecular weight, which is 36.458. So it's 36.458 grams of HCl, and then 1 mole of HCl, and then the ratio 1 mole of HCl, we have a 22.4 liters of HCl. So cancel out the grams, cancel out the grams too, cancel out the moles and the moles. So the left is liters. So volume of HCl is equals to, so 10 grams, 10 divided by 36.458 times 22.4 liters. So equals 6.14 liters of hydrochloric acid. Right, that's all. Please like and subscribe.